Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're building the MGSD Wing Gundam. This episode was actually supposed to be a lot longer because I recorded the whole airbrushing process on my phone. But I accidentally deleted all the footage. The worst part is, I didn't realize until more than a month later, so there's no way to get it back. I only have one photo of the paint job that I sent to my friend, but that was taken before all the touch-ups. The shading on the wings was honestly the most challenging parts of this build. And I have to say MGSD has become my favorite scale. They're so cute and they feel like mini master grades. Oh, and after losing parts on few of my previous builds, I was being extra careful this time. I definitely don't want to lose anything again. Okay, let's get this build started. I have to say this box art is really beautiful. Bandai always know how to make their illustrations look amazing. Honestly, just looking at this already makes the Gundam Wing soundtrack start playing in my head. If you're a Wing Gundam fan, you know that feeling. Inside the box, we have 14 runners. I'll be painting everything except the clear parts. I know a lot of people like to keep the empty kit boxes. I personally don't collect them, mostly because I don't have enough space at home. But I do like keeping the manuals. Sometimes I look through them and realize I don't even remember that I built those kits, especially since many of them were given away. These eyepieces are so tiny, I had to cut my nails just so I could press them in properly. I left the clear parts on the runners since they're the only pieces I didn't paint, and they're just so tiny that I didn't want to cut them out and risk losing them again. You may have noticed my black cutting mat shifting a little during the build. I tried to edit it to make it less noticeable, but since it's a foldable cutting mat that wasn't completely flat, every time I touched it, it would shift slightly. I probably should have taped it down. took me a lot more time than I expected, and I had to go back and fix a lot of little details along the way. Also, I know I haven't been posting much lately. July is usually the busiest time because I have to do my flight attendant annual training and qualifications. Don't know if you guys want to hear about my job. Let's go back to the Wing Gundam. I think I missed the shading on this part. Time for some touch-ups. This is what I mean. I'm so bad at following steps sometimes, I always end up finding an extra piece left over. Don't ask me why I'm hand painting these. I know these details won't be visible anyway, but I still want to do it. This is where I got stuck for a while, repainting the wing feathers over and over again. And of course, one thing I was trying to avoid finally happened. I misread the manual and ended up breaking one of the wing pieces. I didn't realize I was supposed to slide them out. I feel so dumb when I figured it out. The layered wing design is probably my favorite part. The amount of articulation and detail in these wings is just amazing. Hope you guys can't tell where it broke. Since I'd already cut everything off the runners, I had to sort the wing pieces by size because I couldn't tell which part number they belonged to anymore. Then during the photo shoot, I realized the left and right wing pieces were all mixed up. The Twin Buster rifle is definitely one of the highlights of this kit. I really like that it can split into two rifles and combine back together, and the extending barrel gimmick is a really nice touch. The shoe details are really nice, and I really like the little wing feature on it. The beam saber can also be stored on the wings, and they actually hold pretty well even when I'm posing the kit. Funny enough, I actually found some random beam sabers on the floor when I moved, but I actually lost one for my metal build too. I guess it will show up again one day. I totally forgot to get some water decals for this kit, so it's time to finish things up with some panel lining. I'm using Tamiya dark gray panel line accent color, and of course, I'm also cheating a little with my mechanical pencil. That's the end of it. It took me on and off about 2 months to complete this boat. All the repainting, touch-up, and extra efforts were totally worth it in the end. I know it's still not perfect, but I really tried my best. Hopefully, it will look better once I add some water decals later. Thanks for watching today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'll be moving on to my next build, and I'll see you guys in the next one.